The Thieves Spray features the power of the Thieves Oil in a handy ready-made spray bottle. This is a concentrated form of the Thieves formula, which you can use for cleaning purposes in your home to clean and sanitize, as well as with your body whilst traveling and out in public places. The Thieves Spray can be used for many purposes around the home, including removing permanent marker from walls and floors, to remove crayon stains from walls and floors, to remove fingerprint marks on stainless steel fridges and appliances. You can use it for cleaning kitty litter boxes and animal bedding. You can spray to sanitize and clean kitchen bench tops, bathroom surfaces, toilets and other household surfaces. Use it for sanitizing garbage bins. Spray it on bedding. Use it whilst travelling to sanitize the plane, bus and car seats. And use it to sanitize public toilet seats. These are just some of the ways that you can look to use the Thieves Spray. To find out more ways to use the Thieves Spray, have a look at the Thieves Guide, available exclusively for Team Wildfire members through the Team Wildfire app.